Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Todoist to organize your online courses, the complete 2025 guide designed to help you optimize your virtual learning. First up, we're going to create a new project for each course. To do this, simply click on the plus button next to Projects in the left-hand menu. This is important because each online course has its own unique workload and deadlines, and by separating them into individual projects, you can focus on each one independently. Now that we've done that, we're going to add tasks and subtasks for each course. To add a task, click on Add Task at the bottom of your project. For subtasks, click on the task and then click Add Subtask. This helps us because tasks are the bigger picture items like study for final exam, while subtasks are the smaller steps to achieve this, such as review Chapter 1. Next, we're going to set due dates for each task and subtask. Click on the task or subtask and then click on Schedule. From here, you can select a due date from the calendar. The reason we do this is to ensure we stay on track with our course workload and don't miss any crucial deadlines. Let me explain why this matters. Without due dates, tasks can easily fall by the wayside, especially when juggling multiple online courses. By setting a due date, Todoist will send you reminders, helping you to stay organized and on top of your work. And finally, we're going to use labels and filters. Labels let you categorize tasks like reading or assignments, while filters let you view specific tasks based on their label, priority, or due date. To add a label, click on a task or subtask, and then click on Add Label. To create a filter, go to the left-hand menu and click plus Add Filter. This helps us because it allows us to prioritize our workload and find specific tasks quickly. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By using labels and filters, you're creating a customized organization system that suits your needs. This not only saves time, but also makes studying more manageable and less overwhelming. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can use Todoist to organize your online courses effectively. Remember, the key is to break down your workload into manageable tasks and keep track of your progress. Stay organized, stay focused, and you'll conquer your online courses with ease.